Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork in the road. Although today I am, once again, the dork in the woods. And I am on my very first solo dual sport adventure in the woods. That's right, Duck Fan's at work today. And I am not. I am up at Canyon Creek, same place you saw us explore in the last couple dual sport videos, the snow riding one and the one before that, but it is now June, and I'm guessing the snow that stopped us from reaching our destination last time is gone. That's my hope. I'm going to try to get to that beaver pond we found on the map today. That's my goal. So, got some woods riding, pretty excited. I'm also testing out. You may see this bad boy right here. And believe it or not, I had another Chinese company, Fantaseal is the name of it, asked me if I would test out a couple of their products and do a review. So this thing on my handlebars actually is pretty dang slick. It's a aluminum handlebar mount. It's for bicycles, I think mostly, but it fits perfectly right here on the CRF. Sorry, I'm not going to gesture while I'm on these sketchy corners, and it's real solid. I'm super impressed with the build quality, and so put it through its paces today. But I told him I'd put it in the video, so there it is. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. It's a Fantaseal Aluminum Handlebar Mount. So far I'm really impressed with it. So it's not too expensive, and it's 10 or 20 bucks, I don't remember. But it seemed better suited than the plastic stuff that came with the Icon Text camera to this particular type of riding. God damn, it's gorgeous up here. Look at this. This is why we're up here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, gotta love this Oregon that we live in, that I live in. Got my visor up with my sunglasses on. I have my goggles in the backpack, but when it's sunny like this, I prefer the sunglasses. I'm a little wary because we went on that LC Falls ride, the last video I put up, and after the camera died on the way home, I had my visor up, getting all cocky because I'm behind my windscreen. I took a freaking bug right in the eyeball. Fortunately, I saw it coming quick enough to start to close my eyes, so I took it in the bottom eyelid, but god damn, that hurt. So, protect your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. I wasn't really sure what to wear today because it's not really like trail riding where the dangerous slow speed falls onto a rock, because I plan on mostly staying on these Forest Service roads. And I didn't want to get too warm, although fortunately it's a really nice day. It's like, it's not supposed to get hotter than like 72 with some clouds, so it's a perfect day for being in the woods. So I'm wearing my Bullet SR4. I need to just do a review on these things because Bullet SR4 stretch jeans have become my go-to riding pants for everything, because they've got enough of that Kovac to give me some protection if I were to go down, and the knee pads. I've got my Built Discovery boots, which I honestly bought by accident thinking they'd be as good as motocross boots. They're not, but they're perfect for this because they're, they go all the way up to my calf, and they have some hard protection on the front. They're not as like ankle bendy protecty as a pair of motocross boots, but that's good because you can get off and walk around in them, and it's hard to do that in space boots. And my old Built mesh jacket, which I figure is going to give me plenty of airflow, but it's got elbow and shoulder pads and abrasion resistance along the arms and shoulders if I were to go down. So I think we did okay. It's definitely mostly street looking gear, but what are you gonna do, It's about safety, not fashion. Safety, comfort, then fashion. The fashion piece is like, if I know what I want for safety and comfort, I might get a black one instead of a blue one, you know what I mean? Like, it's not, you're gonna buy something based on what it looks like. Very small consideration. But trying to use what I have. Thanks for coming along with me. I don't know how many videos this is going to turn out to be or how interesting it's even going to be. It's mostly just me riding on dirt roads and talking to myself, but hey, what are you going to do? These are my Built Sprint gloves that, once I got better street gloves, became my off-road gloves because they're fairly perforated and comfortable, but enough protection if I were to go down. I like them better than the motocross gloves, which are like all about grip and there's almost no protection. And my Ozark Trail hydration pack on my back with a couple sandwiches. Oh, and I've got my InReach communicator maybe I'll put a link to that too. So what I finally decided to go with for backcountry communication, the Delorme. It's pronounced Delorme, even though it looks like Delorme. Pretty sure. Look at that waterfall. It's not falling right now. Lame. The Delorme InReach. Garmin bought them, and they make one now that's $400, but I managed to get the old model, the Delorme, which works pretty much exactly the same, for $200. I'm also looking for camping sites while I'm up here. I want to find some out of the way, dispersed camping sites. I didn't get it in the video, but it came up in my new truck, my Tundra, and I've been doing a little work to it. If you guys aren't familiar with Plasti Dip, that stuff is like magic. I don't like chrome. I think it's a generational thing. I don't know, I just super like the understated. And it's that cement gray, so it's kind of a dull, well, it's pretty gray, but it's not a bright color is my point. And, oh shit, there's some debris. Or as I said in my LC Falls video, shit, that's a recent. It's all gray, it's a chrome badges, chrome bumper accents, and a chrome grille. And thus far I have, with the magic of Plasti Dip, stuff is awesome. I've made de-chromed, blackened, used black Plasti Dip to make the badges. Actually a little cold. The badge is black, and both bumpers are now all the way black. So none of that distracting chrome, and I'm debating the grille, leaning towards doing it so that it's all black and gray, but it looks really good. I talk so much, you're gonna get a boring ass video of me talking, and there won't be any time in the video for me writing. Can't believe I'm up here, guys. When I bought this bike, the reason I wanted it was to go ride around in the woods like this on my own. Well, I'm with friends, but just to go check out the woods, explore, just be, you know, out of civilization, in the wilderness. Here I am doing it. Trail riding stuff's been like a bonus. That was not like something I super anticipated or thought about doing when I bought the bike. Honestly, it was, I thought I'd ride on forest roads, and then I was looking at OHV park stuff. I was like, oh, we should check out an OHV park. Duck Fan's a big fan of that. He likes the trail riding more. I like this stuff more. Trail riding's fun. It just stresses me out. We get ourselves in over our heads sometimes. This, I know we're going to be good, because worst case, you get to a shitty road and you just turn around. On the trails, you get down somewhere where going back is just as hard as going forward, so you're committed, you know. Just how you learn. Got to push it a little bit. We've been in some sketchy shit. Oh, there's a stream and a waterfall here. It's a lot different, I bet, now without all the runoff. Yeah, but look at it. It's pretty cool, yeah? I'm going to stop and get pictures, too, for Instagram, but that's pretty gorgeous, you guys. Pretty cool what you find out exploring. Where is my phone? Oh, this is my phone. Yeah, so there's the problem. I have to take it off to stop navigating. That's a huge pain in the ass. So I may not get many photos today. I'll have to do screen grabs from the video. Pretty cool. Stream. Mountain stream. Yeah, I need to get a tank bag because I have a Canon. It's not a DSLR, but it's a EOS, whatever the fuck, digital rebel, all that zoom shit for taking photos, and I can just keep it right here, easy in and out of the bed. But I haven't gotten around to that yet. Alright, here's that falling rock area. How fucking unlucky would you have to be to get hit by something here? This is that section that they closed a few years ago. See the creek down there? It's pretty awesome up here, you guys. Pretty awesome. Some people are like, hey, those mirrors come off. Why don't you take them off when you're in the woods? And my answer is, I like to see behind me. They're not in the way. It's not like they add a bunch of weight. If I was in like the tight branches and shit, I might not want them catching on things. But out here on the road, the convenience of being able to look behind me outweighs any inconvenience of having mirrors. There is almost no inconvenience. It is a little chilly. Almost wish I had the other jacket going up in the mountains. Could have anticipated that. I brought my tarmac jacket. It's not vented or not mesh, so it would have broken the wind a little better. But I did not put it on. So I went with this one because it was hot at the bottom. What are you guys up to this summer? Some moto adventures, I hope. Not been making as many videos as I thought I would to this point, but busy. I know, I'm always busy. That's always my thing, but I am busy. Like, taking my kid to auditions every day, and I feel like I need a whole day to get out and do this stuff. That's so. when I don't have a whole day, I tell myself I can't. I need to get better at that. It is much more lush up here. I mean, it's only been, what was it? That was late April, early May. It's been a month and a half. I can't believe it's been a month and a half. My whole fucking goal was to get up here all the time. It's been 6 weeks. Dust, definitely a car ahead of me. Taking a left up here though. Going left, 2024. Oh yeah, I'm definitely catching up to somebody. There was a Forest Service rig that went up ahead of me. I wonder if that's who it is. Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch this guy. Look at this fresh dust. Yep, see that fresh dust? Am I using my keen observational skills? There he is. That is that Forest Service rig. Huh. He is going slow as shit. It is nice he'd pull over and let me by. Not make me be a dick and pass him because he's in a government rig. Dust. So much dust. There we go. Oh, that is a big log right in the shadow. That could have been bad. Could have been bad. I'm gonna light this down. Here's my face warmer. Remember when I couldn't find my phone because it's attached to my bike right in front of me? I'm having a lot of technical difficulties lately, guys. Sorry, I know that shit's super unprofessional. Just more focus on writing than filming, you know? Like, I'm the talent. That's a douchey thing to say. I just mean I'm the stupid actor, not the producer or the technical director. I'm the one that does all the talkie and is ignorant of all the technical shit that goes on behind the scenes to make that happen. So I'm definitely more, you know, I've been an actor, but that's definitely more me than the technical piece. So I don't think about filming, I think about writing when I'm up here. I'll get a look at this view for you guys, because it's pretty stellar. Oh, check that out. Not bad, huh? Not bad, Oregon. There's a cool rock over there. Not bad. I feel like I gotta keep moving so I stay ahead of that rig, but how did he end up on the exact same road as me? Like, I've passed like 4 junctions. Thanks for coming with me, guys. It's cool to be able to share this with you. Guys and gals, human beings.